Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a tool that I recently found which is developed by Google, which is called as Google Stitch UI. So if you're a UI designer and looking for an AI tool which offers free and unlimited access to premium models, so this is actually the tool that I will advise you. So simply type Google Stitch UI, the very first website. This is the official version of the Google. It's created by Google, so it's called as Stitch. And right here the interface looks something like this, and in the background it's using the latest models such as Claude, Opus, Google Gemini, Qwen, DeepSeek. So I personally tried this application. There is no restriction, there is no limits as opposed to other apps which are there in the market. Once you land on this, you will be having this design. You simply tell the prompt. It can be a mobile application, native mobile app, or it can be a desktop web application. So let me select web application, and I will simply say design a UI for image to PDF web app. So if you are not a good designer, then this AI tool can definitely help you. It will generate you unlimited unique designs for your application. So once you just written out the prompt here, now you will actually see the magic of this AI tool, Google Stitch, which will actually generate the UI for you. It exactly tells you different UIs. From here you can change the model as well. So it will generate various screens for you alongside with the source code as well. So once it completed, you will be seeing the result as well. And also you can edit the design which was generated by all these tools which are there in the sidebar section. You can pan, zoom like this. You can see you can even upload your own files to Canvas as well. So it's automatically designing the actual user interface, which will be unique. Every time you make an application, that UI design will not be repeating. Every time you submit the prompt, it will give you a unique design. So that's the power of this tool, Google Stitch. And in the background, it's using those premium AI models which cost you money, but in using this tool, you get free and unlimited access. So basically you can see in the background it's constructing the user interface element by element. So it generated three screens. This will be the home page, which will look something like this: convert images to PDF. Then there will be the second screen. Once the users select the various images, we will see a set of options as well alongside with the images whichever selected. The third screen will be once the conversion is complete, you will see this screen to download the output PDF and also show you the live preview as well. So now it generated these three screens right here, as you can see right here. So you can preview the screen in a new tab if you want to see this screen which is generated. So you can actually see this is the home page, will look something like this. You have this sidebar section, you have the main screen right here, convert images to PDF, and you can test it out in various devices. This will look something in tablet, in mobile, so it's completely responsive as you can see right here. And if you are on a mobile device, you can scan this QR code directly to view this design directly in the mobile device. So you can even share your design as well by copying this link with others so that they can even see the design. This will be the second thing which is there. You can also have the ability right here to play this design. If you click the play button, so you can just see right here. So you click the preview button, so actually see the design right here. You also have the ability to edit this design as well, so you can change it with AI. If you don't like this element, you describe the changes what you want to do right here. You can even edit once it is generated. So it's a very good tool for UI designers if you are not at good not at good at designing, it will be a perfect tool for you. You also have the ability to export. Once you click the export button, you select the screen that you want to export, and you can actually export this to a Figma, AI Studio, MCP, Netlify, Lovable, Bolt, or like this. Or you can even export this to a zip file as well. So automatically all your design will be downloadable. This makes it very easy for you. So right here, you actually see. So the source code, as you can see, it's also generated of this design. So if you are worried about the source code, you can directly open this inside your VS Code. So you can just see there. So this is the design document. This is the actual screen that will look, and this is the source code. It's a very awesome tool, guys. Definitely check this out. It's using Claude, Opus, Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen, all the premium AI models to actually design this, and there is no limit to it. That's the most important thing. If you want to create another screen right here, you so we created this screen right here, image to PDF. Now it also gives you suggestions as well. So now I'm simply wanting a UI design for mobile app for tracking your house plant collections. So it's a simply free and unlimited tool. Definitely try this inside your own way as well. If you like it, please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel, and also comment on this video if this works for you as well. It doesn't take too much time for designing the different screens for your application, so it really works fast as well for generating all these UI elements. Plus the source code is also generated, so you can see based upon the applications that generate different screens designs for you. It will basically construct the designing from scratch. So you can see that inside live how the AI is constructing each element step by step from scratch, and it's putting unique design elements every time whenever you ask the prompt. It will never repeat. Every time it will uniquely construct the user interface for your application. As this is a mobile application, so it will be a vertical design. So based upon the screen size, ultimately it will reduce, it will save a lot of time for you if you are not at good at designing. So definitely check this tool if you are interested.